If you're looking to upgrade your 1986 to 2000 Ford vehicle's sound system without the hassle, this factory amplifier integration wiring harness is worth a look. Designed specifically for select Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury models, it simplifies connecting an aftermarket stereo to your car's factory amplifier with zero guesswork. This 12-inch harness plugs directly into your factory amplifier and aftermarket radio's preamp outputs, featuring 4 RCA plugs and 2 8-pin connectors for speakers and power. That means you get a clean, reliable connection without cutting or splicing your vehicle's wiring. It's a straightforward solution that keeps your car's electrical system intact. One key benefit is how easy it makes installing a new stereo. Instead of rewiring your entire dash, you just plug this harness in and you're ready to go. Plus, if you ever sell your car or return a leased vehicle, you can simply swap back to the factory radio without any permanent changes, keeping your investment protected. Users praise this harness for its plug-and-play design. For example, one Mustang owner with a Mach 460 sound system said the pins lined up perfectly on the first try, making installation a breeze. The harness worked exactly as expected, letting them replace an old head unit that no longer functioned properly. A quick tip: to avoid the annoying amplifier pop when turning on your stereo, use a 1.5 ohm resistor or a 5-volt regulator on the amp remote wire. Some users had to add this after installation, but it's best included during assembly to save time and frustration. Keep in mind, your new stereo must have 2 pairs of preamp outputs to connect with this harness. That's the only real compatibility requirement, ensuring a seamless fit with your aftermarket system. This wiring harness stands out because it respects your vehicle's original wiring and amplifier setup, offering a neat, reliable upgrade path. It's perfect for anyone who wants a hassle-free stereo replacement without sacrificing sound quality or resale value. If that's you, this factory amplifier wiring harness makes upgrading your Ford stereo straightforward and reversible. Try it when you're ready to enjoy a better sound with less hassle.